Okay, pupils, we are on this year 3 Get Smart Plus workbook of page 70. We are on module 9. So this is our world. Activity 1. Read and write. Use the past simple, meaning past tense. Dear diary, today we, so this is the original verb here. So this is basically an irregular verb. So go will change to went for past tense. So this is a base word. Today we went to the museum in the morning. We not go. So you need to use verb to do. So your verb to do. So do will change to did. And then not will change to an apostrophe T. So they stick together. And then go, we maintain the base word. So didn't go to the beach because it was cloudy. And then we, so this form much alike or same as question number 2. So we use a verb to do. So do when its past tense form is did. So again, did not and apostrophe T, and then take, we write it back. So we didn't take pictures at the museum, but we, so buy, so this is another irregular verb. So buy, it's past tense. Maybe this is new for you. So bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought a lot of nice postcards. Later we eat, so its past tense is ate, A-T-E. We ate lunch at a restaurant. In the evening we, so go, same as number 1. So you write as went. In the evening we went to the beach and looked. So for this one you just add ed behind K and looked at the stars. So its past tense is L-O-O-K, and then we add ed. So next we move on to activity 2. Look and correct the sentences. So meaning this sentence is wrong, you need to correct it. So Katie went to the museum. So Katie is a female. And then she didn't go to the museum. So remember the base word is go, so not go. So meaning you add a verb to be. Did, a word to do, and then you change its form to did. So do is a present tense, so you change its form to past tense, you need to use did. So she didn't or did not go to the museum. And then the next sentence, she went to the, so basically write back these phrases here. So Katie, you use she went to the, so this is not museum since the museum was closed. So museum you change to maybe shopping center. And then next number 2. Okay, number 2. Katie found a postcard. So basically this is not, and if you take a look here, this is a shell. So you change KT to a pronoun, so she, and then not fine, so you change its form to past tense, did not fine. So because this is past tense, you use back this present tense here, and then verb to do, you change its form to past tense. So because we changed this form already into past tense, so we use back this present tense, present simple. So this is past simple, so not, contraction here, so and apostrophe T, so didn't find, so write it back, a postcard. And then next sentence, you write the pronoun she, and then write back the past simple, and then the corrected noun would be postcard replaced with shall, SHELL. And then next we have number 3, Katie bought clothes. So this is past simple. Its present simple is buy. So again, Katie, you use she, and then verb to do, so you change its form to past tense, past simple. So did not or didn't, and then bought, you will need to change to buy for present simple, and then write back this noun here, clothes, and then again pronoun, and then write back this past simple, clothes. We will replace by postcards here, so we have these postcards, and then the final one, so Katie swam in the sea. So obviously you can, if you take a look here, many stars here. So Katie change its pronoun, so to she, swam, so this is past simple of swim, and then you use a verb to do, so did, change to past tense from do to did, and then not, we write contraction and apostrophe T, or if you write did not, that's fine also. She didn't swim in the sea. So basically she looked, so you use this verb as in activity 1, looked at the stars. So that's it for this page. So this maybe challenge your vocab or your grammar, but that's fine. So as long as you practice, then you will master it. So that's it for this page. So we are on this year 3 Get Smart Plus workbook on page 70. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.